Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to manage transparency mode for your earbuds HUAWEI FreeBuds 5i. You have to start by open HUAWEI AI Life application because we can use gestures to enable ANC but not to manage it. Of course you need to add your earbuds to the app. Then you will see them at the device list and tap at your earbuds. Right here at the left side we have ANC and we need to enable it, but you need to put at least one of your earbuds to the charging case, to your ears. Now tap at the noise cancellation, and right here we have 4 modes, so tap right here. The first one, dynamic, it will change ANC level depending on your background. If you want to use this one, just tap on it. Then we have low ANC level, medium and ultra. So just tap at the best one for you. I guess ultra it's okay for me, or no, dynamic is the best one. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later.